Hello children, video number 2, exercise 4.2, question 3. An ice cream shop sold 234 ice cream cups on Saturday and 456 ice cream cups on Sunday. Estimate the difference in the sales on Saturday and Sunday. In these questions, we will start with the statements. First one. Number of ice cream cups sold on Saturday is equal to 234. Number of ice cream cups sold on Sunday is equal to 456. Estimated difference is equal to question mark because this thing is to be found. That's why it is question mark. Now, in step number 1, round up the numbers nearest tens. Here, the number 234 tens place digit is 3 is to be underlined. Observe the ones place digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5 according to rules of rounding of the numbers, and in that case the digit in the tens place will not change. It means 3 will be 3 only, 4 in the ones place will become 0 and 2 will be 2 only because 100 plus digit we are doing nothing. Next number is 456. Here tens place digit 5 and observe the ones place digit is 6. Means it is more than 5 as per the rule. In that case, when the digit in the ones place is more than 5 or 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Increase by 1 means whatever the number you are given in the tens place, you will add 1 in that. Means 5 plus 1 it will become 6 in the tens place. Ones place digit 6 will become 0 and 100 plus digit 4 will be 4 only. Now we have two new rounded off numbers, and in step number 2 we will find estimated difference of both the new rounded off numbers. For that, arrange the numbers in a columns. Label the column first, ones, tens and 100, and we know that in subtraction sum, smaller number will be subtracted from bigger number, and our answer is 230. Means approximately or estimated 230 more ice cream cups sold on Sunday. Right? I hope this is clear. Question number 4. 167 children had to go on a school trip. However, only 114 children turned up. Find the approximate number of children who did not go on the trip. Here, find the approximate number means estimated number. Estimated number of children who did not go on the trip, and we will start with the statements. Number of children had to go on a school trip is equal to 167. Number of children gone to school trip is equal to 114. Now what is to be found? Number of children did not go on the trip is equal to question mark. And in step number 1, right, these are the statements. Statement part done. Now step number 1, we will round up the numbers nearest tens. First number is 167. Here 6 in the tens place digit, so we will underline and observe the ones place. Here 7 is on ones place, it is means more than 5. As per the rule of rounding of the numbers, the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So here tens place digit 6 will be 7. Ones place digit 7 will become 0 and 100 plus digit 1 will be 1 only. Next number is 114. Here 1 is on tens place. Observe the ones place digit, it is 4, means it is less than 5. Then the digit in the tens place will not change, means 1 remains the same, and ones place digit 4 will become 0 and 100 plus digit 1 will be 1 only because we are doing nothing with this place. Right? Now step number 2. Label the places ones, tens and 100. 170 minus 110. These are the new rounded off numbers, and in subtraction sum, smaller number will be subtracted from bigger number. By simple subtraction, our answer is 60. Means our last statement will be, so 60 children did not go on the trip. Fifth question will be your homework. Sixth one. A courier boy takes 169 packets from his office to deliver to different places in the cities. He could not deliver 26. Find out approximate number of packets that he delivered. Here we will start with the statements. Number of packets to be delivered is equal to 169. Number of packets could not delivered is equal to 26. And number of packets that the boy delivered is equal to question mark. Here approximately delivered. Right, this statement part is done. Now step number 1, we will round up the numbers to the nearest tens. First number is 169. We will round up that number nearest tens place. Here 6 is on tens place. Observe the ones place digit, it is 9, and 9 is more than 5, right? That's why as per the rule, digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Increase by 1 means 6 plus 1 means 7 is on tens place. Ones place digit 9 will become 0, and 100 plus digit 1 will be 0 only. Now next digit is 26. Sorry, next number is 26. Here tens place digit is 2. It is underlined. Observe the ones place. It is 6 means more than 5. Then the digit in the tens place will become increase by 1 means 2 plus 1 3. So 2 become 3 and 6 become 0. Now these two new rounded off numbers will be subtracted on step 2. So label the places, subtract the smaller number from bigger number, and our answer is 140. Means our last statement, so a courier boy delivered approximately 140 packets. I hope everything is clear. Thank you and have a nice day.